We left the cruise Tehuamixtle in Banderas Bay and started heading south. We passed the Tres Marietas, got a little dolphin escort, and headed south to around Cabo Corrientes. Cabo Corrientes is the point conception of western Mexico. The seas can be pretty rough and confused, so timing is everything in getting safely around. Fortunately for us, it was calm enough to read a book. We pulled in around the corner at Punta Tehuamixtle. The nautical charts call it Ipala. We went ashore at Tehuamixtle with the aim of hiking up a ridge that we had seen on our way into the anchorage.
Here she comes, better late than never. We made it to the sign that we saw from the ocean. We were just at the top of these cliffs. Come Sean. Tehuamixtle, Juanitzio, Cholula, Los Cabos, Puerto Vallarta, Hierve al Agua, Valle de Guadalupe, Manzanillo. Not a drone shot. Not a drone shot. Could be. But we're here in person. Here we got Sean. There's our home yet. A couple other boats out here. A little bay. On the map it's called Ipala. It's like a tree, but it's a cactus. Whoa. Reactions?
Oh.
The following day we set out from Tehuamixtle south to Bahía Chamela, where we anchored at Isla Cocinas. Isla Cocinas and Isla La Pajarera, its neighbor to the north, are uninhabited and are popular spots for Mexican tourists who take pangas from Punta Pérula, a little town in the northeast corner of the bay.
There's Miet laying on her anchor. This is a little private beach I found. Playa Nudista, nude beach. There's no one here. Someone's built a little campground here. Got a fire pit there. It's a place to pitch a tent back under the trees. Looks like someone's been eating oysters. There's Rusty. You can see it's pretty dry here. All kinds of cactus up on the hill here. And the only footprints I'm seeing are birds. See. 'Cause, 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 Got a cool little tide pool here. Some fish in there. I already scared the crabs away, but you can see all kinds of little urchins sitting in the shallows here. There's a few down in there.
The captain arose. I hang out with the drying laundry for laundry day. The view.
After spending the afternoon at Isla La Pajarera, we went into Punta Pérula, a little town tucked into the northwest corner of the bay. While there, we met many other northbound cruisers who were waiting for a weather window to round Cabo Corrientes back to the north and enter Banderas Bay or head across the Sea of Cortez into La Paz. Punta Pérula boasts a wonderful white sand beach that stretches on for miles, the popular spot for Mexican tourists.
On the other side?
I believe, yes, they do.
Our neighbors at Bella Luna down the way went and traded some fishermen for some fresh shrimp that they traded local freshmen with. They had way too much, so they gave it to us. This bag was pretty much full, so I'm just cleaning them so they're easier to cook. And I want to eat some since the captain is not a fan of shrimp. All for me. Ooh, 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 ooh.